Do you remember the O sound?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a boat, right?
Yes.
What is the middle sound in the word boat?
O-A.
Again, is it O-A or is it just O? The sound. When we write O-A, right? But when we speak, we say
O.
O. We have B. Oat.
Boat.
Now, can you try this one?
Oat. Coat.
That's right. And here?
Oat. Soap.
Great. And the last one?
Old. Road.
Perfect. Okay, so have you got a coat at home?
Yes.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay. So I have got some sentences for you to practice. Okay, so can you try? Number one. Again, I have
a new red coat.
Yes, great. That's great. Okay, and can you go back here? Can you say new?
New.
Again, not new, it's n. Ooh. New.
New.
Try again. I have
a new red coat.
Is it coat or coat?
Coat.
Excellent. Okay, what about this sentence? Again, I use
soap in the tub.
Great, that's right. And this one?
I ride my bike on the road.
That's right. And here?
I see a big boat in the bay.
Okay, great. Can I go back here? Can you try this word again?
Big.
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 So letter G, right? Big. Okay, great. And what is here?
I like my coat.
Okay, great. And one more here.
My soap and coat are on the boat.
The OA sound, we put OA in the middle. Now, how about at the end? We put O and W and we pronounce O. So, can you read this one?
Bow.
Again?
Bow. Row.
Great.
Yeah. E.
Okay, letter E sounds E. So it's Y.
Yeah.
E.
Yellow.
Yes, yellow. And here?
Pillow.
That's right. Okay. What color is your pillow?
Pink for kitty.
Oh, it's Hello Kitty, right? It's
Yes.
pink. Wow.
From the map.
From what? Oh, it looks like my mask here.
Yes.
Hello Kitty, yeah, that's my favorite cartoon. Do you watch Hello Kitty?
Yes.
Maybe, yeah.
I have game Hello Kitty.
Wow, so what is it about? You mean on the iPad?
I have iPad now.
Okay, and you play Hello Kitty game on the iPad, right?
No.
No?
In my mom's phone.
Oh, your mom's phone, okay. And does your mom like Hello Kitty? What do you think? Does she like it? What does your mom like? What is her favorite cartoon? Do you know? Or she doesn't watch cartoon?
I don't know.
You don't know. What about your dad? Does he have like
Monomag.
It's what? It's the name of the cartoon or what?
Movie.
It's a movie.
So here I have got some games for you. Here are the pictures. So can you tell me about the picture?
Okay.
Here. Okay, so the first one.
Yellow pillow.
Yellow pillow. So can you make a sentence? Like I
see
Okay.
a yellow pillow.
That's great. And what about here? What can you see here? Two things. This one? Coat and
Bow.
yeah. So can you make a sentence?
I have a coat on my
Okay, so you can change.
yes.
Yeah, from the picture.
A bow on my coat.
Yeah, okay. So the bow is on the coat. And what about this picture? What can you see? Soap and
Yellow.
yellow. Okay, so can you make a sentence?
The soap is yellow.
Perfect. And here, this picture.
I can
What is that? Yeah. Wait, what can you see in the picture?
walk.
Boat, right?
Yes.
And this person,
Hmm.
she is rowing the boat.
I can row a boat.
That's perfect. Okay, so can you row a boat?
No,
No. Do you want to try? Do you want to learn how to row the boat?
I know now.
You know now? How to do it? Can you show me?
แจวมาแจวจ้ำจึกน้ำนิ่งไหลลึกนึกถึงคนใจ
4 more words here. Can you try?
Goat,
Yeah.
toad,
Toad, okay.
elbow,
And
window.
easy for you. Okay.
Oh,
Wow. So we have some special words here. Can you try the first one?
mole,
Correct.
skulk,
Okay, try s. O.
oak, skulk,
Want to try again? S. O. K. So.
soak,
Yes, that's it. Easy here. B.
b, o,
O sounds O.
b, o,
Okay, so double R, it's R. B.
b, o,
O. R.
r, o. Burrow,
Yeah, you got it. Borrow. L.
l, old, load,
That's right. Okay, here.
t, o, t, toast,
Toast. Yeah. And the last one.
l, o, low.
Here we go. Let's talk about the story. So the name is Ben.
Ben and the boat.
Okay, how many pictures do we have here?
4 pictures.
4 pictures. How many characters? Characters means the person in the story. 1, right?
1,
How many can you see? 2.
2.
So Ben and the woman here.
Mom.
So let's look at here. Picture 1.
Ben is in the tub at home.
Okay. What is he doing? What is he
Playing in
doing?
the tub.
Playing? Or he's taking a bath?
Taking a bath.
Yeah, okay. And playing at the same
Yes.
time. And picture 2
He
here.
has a goat
Okay.
and a toad.
Is it toad or toad?
Oh, he has a goat and a toad in the tub.
Yeah, okay. So maybe these are his toys, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about here, picture 3?
Ben, the goat, and the
Okay. Toad.
toad
Toad. R.
are in the soap.
Okay.
Ben thinks in the tub.
Wait. Ben thinks the tub.
Ben thinks
Again.
the tub is a boat.
Oh, okay. So he thinks here is a boat. What happened in picture 4?
He rolls the soap.
Again, he rows in.
He rolls in the soap. Mom is
Okay, a little bit difficult. It's letter G sounds G, G, L, Gl, right? Gl, A, D,
glad.
glad. Okay, so mom is
glad. She
has
her yellow coat.
coat. Okay. Do you like the story?
Yes.
Okay, why? Why do you like the story?
I can splash.
Okay, because you can splash. And here we have got new words. Okay, so can you try?
Mom. Dad.
Glad. Okay, and here are sight words.
Things.
Okay, can you try think?
Think.
So can you try again this one?
Think.
Think. Excellent. Okay. So do you like a toad?
No.
No. Do you want to touch it? Catch it? No, maybe not.
No.
Okay, that's cute.